Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel and to another video. Today we're going to be doing the interracial. Couple tag. Basically the interracial couple tag is just a few questions that is directed to Babe and I, and we're both going to answer the questions. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you are a OG fave, thank you guys for coming back and keeping up with us. All right, we're just going to jump straight into these questions and get this video going. So the first question is, what is your race or ethnicity? I'm gonna go first. I am Jamaican, if you don't know.
I'm French and race. I'm white French.
Right, there you have it. And I'm black Jamaican. Black. No, I'm white Jamaican. Oh no, I'm black Jamaican.
Black Jamaican?
White Jamaican.
White Jamaican?
Yes. I don't look like a white Jamaican.
You're lost Jamaican?
Maybe. Anyway, you guys, I'm black Jamaican. Like seriously though, I am black Jamaican. All right. Question number 2. Was this your first time dating outside of your race? Let me go first.
Okay, go.
Yes, it was. You?
No, it wasn't.
No?
No, it wasn't. You know that. It wasn't.
Oh, how many? How many?
How many? I don't know.
Outside your race?
I don't know. It's not like only one.
What other race have you dated apart from black?
Black.
Chinese.
No, unfortunately, never been with Chinese. Never been with Asian. Arabic. Yeah.
Hey, yeah. My man is open, shorty.
Open.
I like that. I like that. Okay. What has been the most challenging thing dating interracially? For me, the most challenging thing dating interracially, one of the things that annoys me the most is things that Babe find funny, I don't find funny. Sometimes Babe will be cracking a joke and he's dying and I'm like,
do you think it has something to do with...
Really? Oh yes, it does have a lot to do with race.
Okay.
It have a lot.
Okay.
I'm like, really? And I wouldn't say it's true. I wouldn't say we get the stares when we're in France, but when we're in Jamaica, even though Jamaican motto is out of many one people and there's a lot of white people in Jamaica, when we're in Jamaica, we get the stare a lot. So much people just be looking at us when we're walking on the street. So that has been, I wouldn't say it's challenging, but it's noticeable. It's noticeable. Anything else that has been challenging for me interracially?
And you know that that's the thing. I think why I have less challenge than you. It is maybe here the, I'm not gonna say it's more open, but you will find more interracial couple. You will. That's not gonna make something like, oh yeah, that's something in Jamaica that you sometimes you get the look like,
oh yeah,
oh, and I will always remember this little girl in Port Royal, Jamaica, and are talking like it's starting very young. So it's just that's what I think is less challenging. But yeah.
So what has been challenging for you? What has been challenging for you interracially?
I won't say much. I don't necessarily have challenge over the race. Maybe it's just over you in terms of.
So tell me, it is interracially.
The way you are about. It's more about culture, about how you like to.
I'm loud.
You're loud. you look like you talk. Yeah, you're talking loud. You sound sometimes that you are hungry and you're not hungry and things like this. I don't know if you have.
It does. Black people on a whole. It does.
That was his most challenging for me.
He's right. I'm talking like, and I'm not angry.
Why are you mad? And say, I'm not mad. Why are you mad? I'm not mad. I don't understand. True.
It is true. There's no denying that. That's just a black people thing. We're loud, and sometimes you think we're mad, but we're not. That's just how we like to express ourselves. All right. There comes our next question. Do you get dirty stares or look when you're in public? And again, when we're in Jamaica, yes, we get it a lot. And like I said, it's Jamaica, and I don't even know if it's the race thing. Maybe it's just a Jamaican thing where we just like stare at people. But we get it a lot. We even get the comments when we're going through places like Half a Tree. I'll never forget them. Every single time it's the same thing. Don't, babe? Do you ever get stares when you're in public with me?
Yeah, in Jamaica a lot. Yeah, except that.
But in France,
I didn't really notice about it. Maybe. I mean, in France, I didn't notice any things. Maybe thinking, but they don't really showing it in public.
It's not obvious. Yeah, if they do it, it's not obvious at all.
I'm sure they are.
Right, but I'm just saying it's not obvious.
It's not really obvious.
It's not obvious
not
to
in
me.
Public.
Unlike in Jamaica, when it's obvious, they stand up bold and staring at you.
They like to do that.
They want to be known.
But it's also the, is the you have both sides. In Jamaica, you also have. Because people like to express, and sometimes it's also the opposite. Like they see you married, they see you have a kids, right. And they're also showing like sometimes they say like you're doing like a good job, like
right.
Respect for you for taking care of.
Right.
They're expressing a lot, so it can be very good and it can be very bad. It can
be negative and positive.
In France,
it depends on how you receive it.
Yeah, they don't really say nothing good, nothing bad. It's just in, I won't say the norm, but it's just coming.
Right.
It's just like this.
Okay. The next question is, do you plan on getting married or having kids? Well, news flash. What's the new flash? Hey.
That's the first question. The second question, account is sleeping. So, but I already have one kid. Maybe soon some others coming, but
ding. Hear the keyword soon.
I already have one kid and get married. So.
Alright, there babe, answer that question. The other question that follow this one is that if you already have kids, how do you think that the kid will be perceived? I really don't know, because for me, let me answer first and then babe can go ahead and answer or chip in. I don't think he'll perceived as bad, really, because when you look at Tyler, he doesn't look like a full black kid. He doesn't look like a full white kid, and he really doesn't look like a mix of both. So I really don't know how he'll be perceived, really, but let's see when school starts and things like that. What you think? How you think he'll be perceived?
I don't think anything bad, because like you say,
I'm not worried, really.
No, I'm not really worried, because people are more like to see a black and white couple. They don't really. It's coming. I won't say no, but it's coming to see a lot of mixed kids. And the only thing is how it will be pursued. I'm gonna say in France is more white than mixed in terms of
he looks more white. He does look more white. He'll fit in perfectly, but it's not even a matter of if he'll fit in, he'll be educated, and I don't think he'll have any, I don't think he'll be in any trouble, or he'll be in any, feel any way, or he'll be, you know what I mean? I don't think he'll be one-sided, or I really don't think so. And where we are, I think France is really, really open, and I've seen how kids, black kids, interact with white kids when I'm on the street, and
when you're kid,
fine for me. It looks okay for me.
When you're kid, there's never a problem. All coming with education, all coming with what the parents gonna teach the kids.
Right, it all have to do with
put
education.
Two kids, one doesn't matter which race they are. They're gonna play together. They won't care. They will notice the difference because it's kind of obvious in terms of the color, but they don't care. They don't care. It's all coming about education. Then you're gonna see bad news on TV, and they're gonna say, and it's all of this person going like this. So that's all of this thing that's going to influence the kid. But the kid going, if it's going well, good education, I don't see any problem coming.
Okay, there you have it, guys. So the next question is it different dating outside of your race as opposed to dating within your race? I cannot answer this question, so this one will be for Beth.
It's different. It can't be the same, because it's not hard in terms of it's not something completely different. Because if you're with a person that is different race from you, she have to be open. She have to be open-minded. So it's all coming with this person. So I'm gonna say the same for this part. What is gonna be different is more like the family and all of this thing that's gonna be different. But otherwise, there's nothing much like completely opposite. Like you're doing that with one family, you're doing that opposite. It's not really. It's more open. Like you have to take, like, to be sure of. Like sometime when you're watching TV, you see so many racism. There's something that you have to be very careful. You can't say things.
Right.
You don't think it, but you can't. Even for jokes, sometimes you can't say things because with who you are.
Right.
But except this thing, there's not. No, I don't really. Yeah, if you were white, I won't act different. I won't. Except little things that you have to take care, but otherwise I won't be different.
Okay. The next question is, do you interact with other interracial couple? For me, yes I do, but it's not just because they're interracial couple why I interact with them. It just so happens that they're friends and they're interracial couple. You?
Yeah, same things. I don't interact with them because they're interracial couple. No, but I have friends, white and black and Asian, have African, have American, black or white. Or
last and final question is very interesting. What made you fall in love with this person? You go first.
I go first.
You want me to go first?
No, I can go first.
So are you looking at me with that eye?
No, it's all of you that makes me fall alive. So yeah. I'm not talking about physically, because physically is a part of, but it's also after the way you are, you take care, the way you. I remember the first time I spent time with you, and you are just here for me, for every little things, taking care of me, make sure I have everything, and it's just, yeah, be nice, be very nice. Like you're someone who care about others. That's something that I really like. It's just like you want everybody with success, you want everybody to be happy, and yeah, it's just this part is like I'm gonna say like I would say like a track and field competition is like you see someone gonna do a long jump and you're cheering this person, so you're gonna cheer this person, and when the opposite of this competitor coming, you're also gonna cheer this person. And me, I'm more like, hope he's gonna lose. And you're the opposite, and it's something that I really appreciate in you, is how you care about others.
Thank you, my love. I'm not gonna cry, okay? Nope, not today. What makes me fall in love with Babe is that he's special. He's special in terms of, and not because he's here why I'm saying all this. I'm gonna act like he's not here. When we first met, he did everything that I was waiting for a guy to do. In terms of, he never asks the normal questions that a random guy would ask. He was so humble. He have the shyest, most cutest smile, and he just basically have everything on my checklist. He's so smart. If you guys know how smart this man is, I tell him every day, and even my mom tell him every day, that he's an old man in a young person's body, and we mean that in a good way. He's so smart. Some of the things that Babe know, I wonder where he find time to know those things. And he's just the best husband. And other reasons why I fall in love with him, and I can't tell you guys. Anyway, you guys, that is the last and final question to our interracial couple Q&A. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, then
subscribe,
and
comment,
and
super like,
and
turn the notification bell.
There you go. All right, you guys, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video, and if there's any other video that you guys would really like to see us do, comment down below and let us know. We love you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah. Bye.